Welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to retrieve multiple related object records for an account using the data mapper extract. So before get started, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. In the last video, I have talked about how to use that data mapper extract to get the related contact records for an account for a given account ID. So if you have not watched that video, so I'll be adding that tutorial link in this YouTube video description. So today my use case will be like another example on the data mapper extract, with which I'll be like providing the account ID as an input, and based on that account ID I'll be just retrieving the related account details. Like if I just open account record, so I will just retrieve the related contact records, then I will retrieve related opportunity records, and also there is a depth one more, like I'll be just retrieving related products for the opportunity, like the opportunity products, that is the opportunity line item records as well, while retrieving those opportunity record using the same data mapper extract. So that will be my use case for today, so please stay tuned. So I'll be just creating a new data mapper extract, and I'll be just providing the data mapper interface name like get multiple related object records, and interface type is like extract, and input type JSON, output type JSON, and I'll be just click on the save. So in the extract we just need to add the account object, so I'll be just adding the account, and the extract output path I'll be just adding this account as well, and based on the account ID I'll be just looking for the account record. Like if I just provide the account ID, so this account ID will be my input. So whenever we are just calling this data mapper extract from an Omniscript or from an integration procedure, we will be providing the input um, input with this account record ID, right? Account ID. And let me just add a couple of few account mappings as well. So as I discussed earlier on those data mapper tutorials, like this extract JSON path will be using to retrieve the Salesforce object records. So in here we just need to provide the Salesforce respective object field name. Like for my case, the mappings will be for account, so I'll be just retrieving few account related fields. So I'll be just retrieving like account number first of all, and under the account node, account colon account number, I'll be providing this as a output JSON path. And let me add few more, like account colon name. Let me just copy this part, account colon, and let me just add this industry, account type. So our structure will be like based on this account ID, these are the account related few fields will be displayed under this account node, right? So now I will be just previewing this one, and the key value pair I'll be just providing key as the account ID, uh, this one account ID, and I'll be just copy this account record ID, and I'll be just click on this execute, and we can see that this account information we are just getting properly. Now I'll be just retrieving another related object records like related contact records for this account. So let me just add this contact object, and I just want to show those all the related or associated contact records under this account node, right? Under this account node. That is why my extract output path should be account colon, since there could be like multiple contacts, that is why I'm just naming it like account colon contacts. And the filter name based on the account ID, since there is already a standard field in the contact like account ID, and this needs to be matched with the account ID, right? And this is how we can just retrieve the related contact records for the respective account. And the output path, we can just put uh, the contact like account contacts account ID. I'm just adding few contact related mappings that we just want to add as a response. So now I'll be just adding the account ID, or let me just add contact account ID. And in here this structure current JSON output structure, we can just see that under this account node we can just getting this account node contacts node, and under this contact node we will be just getting these contact related fields. So let me add few more like accounts colon then birth date, then accounts colon birth date, accounts colon name, and we can just add this email as well, contact email. So our contact related mappings are also done. Let me just preview it again. And for this account record, there are like 4 contact records are available. So let me just check this one, and under this account node we can see still these account related informations are there, and we can just see these 4 contact records. Let me just copy and just paste this one in the JSON editor, and we can just see that under this account node we can just see the contact records. There are 4 contact records are there. And now let me just add the again another object, like we want to just fetch the related opportunities for the account. So let me just add the object opportunity, and the structure will be like as like this same. So under this account node we just want to show the opportunities. So let me just add account colon opportunities, and there is also a account ID standard field on the opportunity object, and this should be equals to account colon ID. And let me just add few opportunity mappings like account ID. I just can add, then I can add opportunity of account ID, then we can just add like some of the key fields of the opportunity like amount, and again we can just see the structure like under this account we are just getting opportunities. And let me add some of the few fields like close date, and we can just finally add the opportunity name and this opportunity name. So our mappings for opportunities are also done. Let me just preview it again, and let me just copy this one. And under this account node, we can just see the related contacts and the opportunities as well, right? And we are just getting all the respective fields that we have added in the mappings, like opportunity name, close date, amount, opportunity account ID. And now what we can finally do, like we have just fetched the related contact records, opportunity records for the account. Now we'll be just retrieving the related opportunity products for the opportunity, right? So the hierarchy structure will be like, under this opportunity nodes, under this opportunity node, opportunities node, all the opportunity line items should be there, right? So let me add the opportunity line item, and the object API name for the opportunity line item is opportunity line item, and output path should be account colon opportunities colon opportunity or up line items. And we can see the structure here, like under this account there are contacts and opportunities, and under this opportunities we can see this our newly added this upper up line items, right? And let me just there is a standard field like opportunity ID. So based on the opportunity ID, I'll be just fetching all the related respective line items. So let me add this as the, like under this account opportunities colon ID. So based on the opportunity ID, I'll be just retrieving all the line item records for the respective opportunity. And let me just add few of the fields for the opportunity line items as well. So it will be this account colon opportunities colon of line items. This is up to the extract path that we have added in that extract tab. And let me just add few of the fields like this name, of line item name, then quantity, then we can just add this total price, and finally we can just add the product code for the line item. So let me just preview it again, and let me just copy this one, and we can just see that under this account there are opportunities, and under the opportunities we can just see these opportunity line items. Since there are 3 line items for this opportunity record, we can just see this opportunity line item records as well. And since for this case opportunity there are no line items, that is why the node is not showing. If I just check another one, and in here as well there are like 4 line item records are there, and line item records are there. That is how it's working. So today we have learned how to use that, like how to configure multiple objects to get multiple object records using this data mapper extract, and how we can just add mappings, and how to configure these extract output paths as well for this to configure this data mapper extract. So in the next session, I'll be utilizing the same data mapper extract to be used in a Omniscript, so that um, we can just show the display this our output based on some conditions or considerations in the UI level in the Omniscript. So, and in the Omniscript, I'll be using like those data mapper extract actions I'll be using to invoke this data mapper. And we can just also invoke this data mapper in the integration procedures as well. So all of that I'll be discussing in the later sessions. So please stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.